YouTube, back with another video. As y'all can tell, it is 2 a.m. currently, and pretty much nobody's on the road, so we about to have a little fun. So yeah, let's get right into it. What are you doing? What the heck? Why do we hockey just kick out right there, chat? Fresh E85 in chat. What are they doing? Two dumbasses. Chat, if y'all have a M3 or M4 with X drive, please get a downpipe and tune and put E85 in this bitch. Do an E40 blend and that shit will change your life. It's getting hot. Get a little 60 pull. What was that 60 to 120, chat? Somebody let me know. Let's get a little 40 in. insane, chat. It is actually insane. I just wish y'all could feel it. Like, for the people that hate on M3s and M4s, like saying they cocky or something like that, bro, if you just, I paid $1,200 for this. Oh, shit. To make whatever the power I'm making right now, it costs $1,200. 600, wait, yeah, 600 for the license, 400 for the tune. Oh yeah, so $1,000. No, 600 for the license, 400 for the unlock. Yeah, so $1,000. And if you want to go flex fuel, it's like another 500. So yeah. And it feels like you can beat anything that lines up against you. Like, look. 60 to 120. It's like, what? How long is that? Somebody let me know. Like, a tune is a crazy concept to me. I pretty much just downloaded all this power, put a special type of juice in my car, aka E85, and now I'm beating supercars. That's just crazy, yo. That's actually crazy. Bro, fourth gear pulls just as hard as third gear. We'll try a 60 rolling automatic. so much. All the people, all the G80 and G82 haters, bro. Until you've ridden in one, stage 2, until you've ridden a stage 2 BMW, M3 or M4, your opinion doesn't matter. Your opinion does not matter. I really hope y'all can see. It's pretty dark. Ooh! Little pothole. Little pothole. I love doing first gear pulls in these and this shit too. Like that just feels freaking insane, bro. Like I'm not making this up. Like anytime somebody rides in here, it's like, bro, I get a crazy reaction every single time. We still have room for more power on stock turbo, stock everything. Still room for more power. But yeah, chat, I ain't gonna lie, let's see how long this video is. 16 minutes. It's gonna be a short one today. The rest of the drive is straight back roads like this, and yeah, I'm scared of deer jumping out in front of my car, so I'm gonna be driving like a grandma. So if y'all do like videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. I love making these for y'all, and I love when y'all tune in and give me feedback. So a like, comment, and subscription goes a long way with me. So I appreciate y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.